Hello students, welcome back to the online English class. In this video, we are going to understand our 16th lesson of English textbook, that is My Financial Career. In this video, we are going to understand first the text of the lesson. So forthwith, you copy the difficult words given by me in the video. Let us see what the lesson is about. The lesson is about a person who is fearful about the bank and the procedure of the bank because he doesn't know anything about the bank, what happens there and how to do it. These things he doesn't know. This is why he is fearful about the bank and its procedure. So such a person goes into bank to deposit some money into the bank. Then what happens? That thing is given in the lesson. So let us see it. First of all, here warm up is given. Such banks and their images we see everywhere around us. State Bank of India, here its image is given, and here some questions are there. Let us read them. How many of you have seen a bank from the inside? From outside generally we see the bank and we never see it from inside. Means those people who have some work at the bank only see the bank from inside. Now, what are banks meant for? Banks are means for what the banks are made. They are asking. So banks are made for depositing money. Now, do you know how to operate an account in the bank, deposit or withdraw money? So children don't know these things. Some children might be knowing, so some don't know this thing. So here a procedure is there for depositing, for withdrawing money into the bank from the bank. So about that procedure the lesson is, and due to that procedure our writer is fearful. Now let us see the text of this lesson. Here let's read. When I go into a bank I get nervous. The clerks make me nervous. The little windows at the counters make me nervous. The sight of the money makes me nervous. Everything makes me nervous. Everything means whatever is present in the bank makes me nervous. Nervous means makes me feel fear. So here me means who? The writer. So what happened here? These things, the things which are present in the bank are making him nervous and frightening him always. But he never went into the bank and he never did any transaction there. This is the first time when he goes. What happens next? The moment I go through the door of a bank and attempt to do business there. Attempt to do business there means what? Attempt to do some transaction there means depositing the money and withdrawing the money. That is the business. Here they are using the word business for transaction, giving and taking money. So whenever he goes for that purpose, I become an irresponsible fool. Irresponsible, a person who doesn't follow or doesn't carry out his responsibility properly. Fool is a silly person. I knew this before I went in, but my salary had been raised to $56 a month and I felt that the bank was the only place for it. His salary was increased. He had the idea, he knew this, that these things make me an irresponsible fool. The things which are present in the bank makes him irresponsible fool and makes him commit mistakes. This he knew. Then also he went into the bank. Why? Because his salary had been increased to $56 per month. Then what happens? So I walked in with dragging feet and looked shyly round at the clerks. Shyly means meekly, timidly, shamefully. He looked at the clerks. And with dragging feet means what? He was walking forcefully. His will was not there to go into the bank, but it was a compulsion to deposit money. This is why he was going into the bank. I had an idea that a person about to open an account was obliged to consult the manager. To consult the manager means to take advice from the manager. So here he had this idea, but this idea is wrong, because if a person has need to open an account, the person can contact any clerk of the bank or the accountant. But our writer, due to fear or due to some wrong idea, he directly goes to the accountant, to the bank manager. So here, instead of talking to the clerks and the accountant, our writer goes to the bank manager directly. First of all, he goes to the accountant to ask about the manager. I went up to a counter marked accountant. Here, a nameplate was there, accountant. He goes to him and he asks about the bank manager. The accountant was a tall, cool fellow. This type of personality was there of the accountant, and the writer goes to ask him. The very sight of him made me nervous, and the sight, whenever the writer saw accountant, he became frightened. My voice was deep and hollow. Hollow means that which is empty. So his voice was coming like that because he was fearful. Can I see the manager? I said, and added solemnly, alone. So here writer is asking, can I see the manager? Means he doesn't just want to see, he wants to talk to the manager. So he is telling, can I meet the manager actually? And then I said, and added solemnly, alone. Writer said this and he again added, solemnly means seriously, alone means he wanted to meet the manager alone. And actually, he doesn't want to say this word alone. I don't know why I said alone, because out of fear, he said alone. Certainly, said the accountant and fetched him. So, accountant said, certainly, why not? No doubt, you can meet. Then he fetched, means he went and brought the manager. The manager was a grave, calm man. Grave means also again serious. I held my $56 clutched in a screwed up ball in my pocket. In his pocket, he had those $56 and some coins also perhaps. So it's ball he had made, and the ball was in the pocket, and he was holding them in his clutch. Then, are you the manager? This is a very silly question our writer is asking to the manager. I said, God knows I didn't doubt it. God knows that now the writer is saying that God knows I didn't have any doubt that this person is bank manager. Then also out of fear, the writer is asking, are you the manager? Yes, he said. Can I see you? Again, the writer is asking the same question. Can I see you? So here also he wants to say, can I meet you? Asked alone. So again he is adding the word alone. This alone word along with the question is making the sense that something secret or something special the writer wants to tell to the manager. I didn't want to say alone again, but without it the thing seemed obvious. So here I stop. Some difficult words I have given here, those you have to copy into your notebooks. If you have any doubts, you can ask anytime. So read the lesson once again. In the next video we will continue the lesson, then we will solve the exercise also. So have fun, take care, thank you so much.